Hello，大家好，欢迎回到 Day Translations. 我是 Kyle 老师 and today we're going to learn how to say the days of the week, as well as look at how to form basic dates in Chinese. The content in this lesson is actually a continuation from my last video, where we learned how to count to 10, as well as how these 10 numbers serve as the foundation for a lot of other words. So, just like last time, I also want to preface this lesson with some good news. Weekdays and dates in Chinese are extremely easy. As long as you can count to 10, then you're only 6 words away from being able to say Monday through Sunday, January through December, the day, and the year. This is because in Chinese, most things that are countable are numerated. For example, the 7 days of the week. Instead of having a unique name for each day like in English, in Chinese we just use one word that means week, 星期, and then we add a number 1 through 6 to the end for the corresponding day. 1 is 一, so Monday, also being the first day of the week in Chinese, would be said 星期一. Tuesday would be 星期二, and Saturday, being the 6th day of the week, would be said 星期六. Now, Sunday is a little special, being the only day that's not numerated. Instead, we will need to use the word 天, which literally translates as day or sky, and is also used when saying Sunday. 星期天. Now with the weekdays out of the way, let's move on to constructing a simple date, including the month, day, and year. For the months, we only need to learn one new word. 月 means month, and this time by placing a number 1 through 12 before 月, you can easily form all 12 months of the year. So do you still remember how to say the number 1? January would be 一月. February would be 二月, and December being the 12th month would be 十二月. Lastly, let's look at how to form the day and the year. We'll need to learn 2 new words here. 号 means day of the month, and 年 means year. Similar to the months, we use a number 1 through 31 before 号 for the day, and then read each of the 4 numbers individually, plus 年 for the year. So the first would be 一号, and the 31st would be 31号. And to finish things out for the year, we'll just need to learn one more word, and that is 零 for 0. So the year 2022 would actually be said as 2022 year. 2022年. A little side note here. Notice that when actually forming a real date in Chinese, the year will need to come first, followed by the month and then the day, a little different than in English. So for example, January 1st, 2001 would actually be said as 2001年1月1号. That's all I have for you in today's video. I just wanted to introduce a little bit of how Chinese is structured as a language and show you some of the cool things that you can do once you know the basic numbers. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. If you have any questions at all, feel free to leave me a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with more educational Mandarin content. Once again, 我是 Kyle 老师，下个视频见。